Grok AI video generator is no longer for free on the official website. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get an access to Grok AI video generation model for free and with an unlimited video generation. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel in order not to miss the next important videos. And don't forget to like this video to support the channel and share this important update to others for them to benefit. The first thing you have to do is to visit your browser and type Gemini Gen.ai. Then tap go. As the page opens like this, sign up and create account. Tap the three dots here by the left hand side and then head to sign up like this. Tap the sign up. In the sign up page, then tap create account with Google. Choose account to go ahead. Then tap continue. Then after you successfully created your account, as the page opens, then tap video gen. Then come down and select the model you want to use. You will see different AI models like Vio, Sora, and Grok AI and so on. So we are going with Grok AI now. Select it and then come down below. Select the model. So we are going with Grok 3. Then you can select image as a reference and you can go ahead with auto image reference. Here you will see generation mode. You can select generation mode here. When you come to here, you have to paste your prompt or write your prompt that you want to use. Then come here and select the aspect ratio you want to use. After aspect ratio, the next thing you have to do is to select the resolution, but you can't choose 720 resolution because it is free mode. You have to keep it with 480 resolution. And also duration, you can't choose 10 seconds generation. You can only use 6 seconds generation because it is free. If you want to use high resolution like 720 and also duration for 10 seconds, you have to sign up and subscribe. Then after you selected all this, then the next thing is to tap generate with Grok. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. You will see it is now finalizing your AI generated video and saying this may take a few moments, so you have to wait a little bit for it to completely finish. One thing you have to know is that sometimes it may take a lot of time to finish finalizing here, but you can go to history as they specified here. Once you go to history, you can see the video there finish processing, so you can play it there. Let's see. As you can see, the video has already finished processing in the history. So let's play it here and see. So you can download it here. Press download, and you can download it here too. So let's try video generation using image reference. So what you have to do now is to just go back. When you come back to home page, what you have to do is to tap imaging. In this imaging, what you have to do now is to write your prompt or go to GPT and generate prompt like this. Let's generate a prompt. So we are now going with this prompt. Copy the prompt. Go back to the website. Tap image. Then paste your prompt. You will see Nano Banana is also free here. Then first select the aspect ratio. I'm going with 16:9. Then select the format PNG, JPEG, etc. Then resolution. Let's go with 1K resolution. Then tap generate. You will see also we have 40 credit and this generation will cost only 0 credit. Then type generate. As you can see, the image was successfully generated. So you can come here and tap download and download the image. Tap down. After download, go back to video again. Then come back and select Grok AI again. Then select image reference like this and place the image you have created. Go and copy your script. Then come back to the website and paste. Select the aspect ratio you want. I'm going with 16:9. Then resolution and duration. Then tap generate. As you can see, it is now processing. So what we should have to do is to wait for it to finish processing. So you can see the video is now
Imagine standing at the gates of Jannah. Your deeds complete. Your heart is calm. Today, the first day in paradise begins, and peace fills your soul.
If you want, you can extend the video. If you have a lengthy video, you can come here and tap extend. When you tap extend, tap I got it. Now, copy the next clip, then copy it, then paste it. After pasting it, select the aspect ratio. Make sure to maintain the same aspect ratio. Then here, standard duration, 6 seconds. Then tap generate with Grok. By using this method, you can be able to create a longer video up to 8 minutes or more, and it is very easy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this important update to others for them to benefit.